The IRS may soon have access to your personal and business banking information under the Joe Biden administration's new IRS bank reporting proposal. I know it sounds crazy, but if the Biden new IRS bank monitoring proposal passes and becomes law, the federal proposal would require banks to report to the IRS deposits and withdrawals of all personal and business accounts with a balance of more than $600. In other words, the IRS would now be able to monitor your personal and business bank accounts. In this video, I'm going to cover the inside scoop on the Joe Biden administration's 2022 budget proposal as it relates to the proposed new IRS banking regulation. Later on, I'll explain how the new IRS bank reporting requirements might affect you and what you can do to potentially stop it. Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana, your friendly neighborhood accountant. So you may be thinking, hold on, Noel, this is just a proposal, it isn't law yet. Yes, that's true, but it does have some bipartisan support, and the first attempt to block it was defeated in the Senate. Also, keep in mind that the 2022 budget proposal has a hefty price tag in the trillions. To pay for this, the government needs to find the money from somewhere. This new banking proposal is designed to close the tax gap between what American taxpayers pay and what they owe to help fund the huge spending bill. The federal proposal would require banks, credit unions, even apps like Venmo and PayPal to report any account with more than $600. Allow me to read the specific text. This proposal would create a comprehensive financial account information reporting regime. Financial institutions would report data on financial accounts in an information return. The annual return will report gross inflows and outflows with a breakdown for physical cash, transactions with a foreign account, and transfers to and from another account with the same owner. This requirement would apply to all business and personal accounts from financial institutions, including bank, loan, and investment accounts, with the exception of accounts below a low de minimis gross income threshold of $600 or fair market value of $600. Basically, if your financial account is over $600, then those transactions previously mentioned would be reported to the IRS. Let me repeat that. We're talking about only $600 in account value, then your transactions would be reported to the IRS. How do you feel about that? Let me know in the comments. Naturally, this is drawing fire from financial institutions and some American taxpayers. If financial institutions are required to report information on customer bank accounts to the IRS, this would be an enormous burden on banks, especially smaller community banks. This requirement to furnish this formerly private information to the IRS is clearly a breach of their customers' privacy. Is the government overreaching here? I think they are, but let me know what you think. According to Mike Crapo, ranking member of the Senate Finance Committee, the IRS financial institution reporting requirement forces financial institutions to turn over detailed bank account information to the IRS based on vague and flexible criteria, such as a $600 threshold and account inflows and outflows, which are determined by the IRS. This time-draining burden disregards banking privacy in order to squeeze more resources out of responsible Americans and entrepreneurs. He continues, it subjects law-abiding Americans to more intense targeting from the IRS and additional data collection, a concern that was recently amplified by a leak of private taxpayer information out of the IRS. Hats off to you, Senator. Mike Crapo is a lawyer and U.S. Senator from Idaho since 1999. Ultimately, the Senate blocked the Finance Committee recommendation that would have prevented the Internal Revenue Service from having access to Americans' private banking records. So, as of right now, this intrusive banking proposal is moving forward. What can concerned taxpayers do now? You can write your congressperson and let them know how you feel about it. That is what others have done. I can tell you from a personal experience, a fellow CPA acquaintance did just this, and here's a copy of the letter she received from her Congresswoman Tina Smith, United States Senator from Minnesota. Allow me to read the most relevant parts. Dear taxpayer, thank you for contacting me regarding the proposed reporting rules for the Internal Revenue Service. I appreciate hearing from you on this important issue. The IRS is responsible for collecting taxes and administering the Internal Revenue Code. This agency collects most of the revenue needed to fund the federal government. Over the past decade, the agency has been chronically underfunded. This has resulted in poor service for taxpayers and has allowed tax cheats, especially the wealthy and large corporations, to dodge hundreds of billions of dollars in taxes. It goes on to say, the top 1% of income earners in the US fail to pay $163 billion per year of taxes that they owe. In order to improve tax compliance and ensure that wealthy individuals and large corporations pay the taxes that they owe, President Biden has proposed a set of financial reporting rules. The new rules would require some parties, such as banks, to report how much money flows into and out of certain accounts. Like other tax return information under the president's proposal, any data reported to the IRS would be subject to strict privacy rules. Okay. Lastly, she says, if we want the system to work better for American taxpayers, then we must strike the right balance between preventing tax dodgers and protecting law-abiding Americans' right to privacy. I hope I don't get in any trouble for sharing that private letter. Anyway, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Let me know in the comments if you think that this proposal strikes a balance between closing the gap on tax cheaters while allowing some of our financial privacy to be exposed to the government. If you liked the video and want to see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.